Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Do you have any idea about mathematics? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. Mathematics is the language of the numbers. We can say that mathematics deals with the numbers. I am here with you to make you understand the basic concepts of the mathematics. Here we will discuss the different topics: counting, add, sum and plus, subtraction, difference and minus, place value, multiplication, division, measurements, fraction, measurement of time, geometry of the shapes, numbers and money, addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. In last, we will discuss about the patterns, orders and bar graphs. Today we will discuss about the ordinal numbers. Do you have any idea about ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers shows the position of an object in a series, such as first, second and third. If we talk about the top 3 positions of the students in class 1, who got the first position, who got the second and who got the third position in the class. So, ordinal number shows the position of an object.
First, second, third, and fourth. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. First, second, third, and fourth. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth.
Now we will discuss ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. First, second, third. So, what comes after third? Do you have any idea? Yes, it comes fourth. And after fourth, it comes fifth. Then it comes sixth. We use TH with the ordinal numbers. After sixth, it comes seventh. And then it comes eighth. After eighth, it comes ninth. And then it comes 10th. As I told you, we use TH with the ordinal numbers. First 3 ordinal numbers are different, but remaining ordinal numbers have TH with them. Now we will discuss about the ordinal numbers from 11 to 20. We will read 11th, not 11. And after 11th, it comes 12th. After 12th, it comes 13th. As I told you, we use TH with them. After 13, it comes 14th. It's not 14, it's 14th. And after 14th, it comes 15th. Can you tell me what comes after 15th? Good. It comes 16th. After 16th, it comes 17th. I repeat again, we use TH with them. After 17th, it comes 18th. And then, yes, very good. It comes 19th. And after 19th, it comes 20th. I repeat again, we use TH with them. An ordinal number shows the position of an object. Who comes first, who comes second, who comes third, or who comes on the 11th, 12th or 19th position or any other. So, we can say that ordinal numbers shows position of an object. Find ordinal numbers. Here a picture has been shown to you. In this picture, some of the animals are given. You have to find the ordinal numbers or the position of these animals. If cat is the first animal, can you tell me which animal is the third? Can you find? Look at this picture and find out the third animal. Very good. Fish is the third animal. What place is the frog in? Find out the place of frog. Look at this picture. Very good. Frog is placed on the 4th number. What place is the dog in? Find out the place of dog. Can you find it? Tell me ordinal number. Yes, it's placed on the 2nd position. And which animal is the last? Look at this picture. Very good. Snail is the last animal. So we can say that ordinal numbers help us to find the position of the object in a series. Here in this picture we can see that we have find out the positions of different animals. And we use the ordinal numbers to find the positions. Ordinal numbers after 20. We have 2 tens and 1 unit here. So can you tell me the number? 2 is placed on the tens position and 1 is placed on the unit position. It makes 21. But how we will read it in ordinal numbers? Yes, 21st. It's not only 21. In ordinal number it is 21st. Here we have some other numbers. We have 4 tens and 8 units. It makes, yes, it makes 48. As 4 is placed on the 10 position and 8 is placed on the units position. So we read it as 48. In ordinal numbers it is 48. As I told you, we use th with the ordinal numbers. Except first, second and third. So we read it as 48. As we have discussed the ordinal numbers in this video, in the next video we will discuss about the number names. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz students.